In view of our Ethereum forecast 2023, the ETH cost could run somewhere in the range of $1,607 and $3,904. The typical cost of Ethereum may be around $2,755 during 2023. According to our Ethereum expectation 2025, ETH is supposed to reach up to the most extreme degree of $6,564 and with a base cost of $4,559. By 2030, Ether is estimated to reach up to the most extreme value level of $20,643 with a base cost of $14,340. Ethereum, ETH, the world's second biggest digital money, stands apart as one of the most complete and enthralling blockchain stages accessible today. Past being seen just as a digital currency, Ethereum is exceptionally respected by crypto devotees for its significant natural worth and capacity to give financial backers remarkable procuring open doors. In this Ethereum cost expectation, we will dive into what's in store possibilities of ETH and evaluate whether Ethereum will recuperate to its untouched high in the forthcoming years. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum, the world's second biggest digital currency and biggest altcoin, goes past being a crypto token. It is eminent for its vigorous elements and imaginative blockchain arrangements, drawing in interest even outside the crypto local area. As an open-source blockchain with brilliant agreement usefulness, Ethereum is generally used in the field of DeFi. Ethereum isn't simply a digital money, it likewise works as an organization kept up with by validators who procure Ether, ETH, for their commitments. We project that Ethereum could arrive at above $20,000 by 2030, a chance upheld by elements like its novel model, wide market technique, versatility arrangements, and initiative in decentralized applications. Vitalik Buterin presented Ethereum in a 2013 white paper, and in 2014, he and other fellow benefactors got financing for the venture. They brought $18.3 million up in Bitcoin through an ICO, where more than 60 million Ether were sold at a cost of $0.311. The Ethereum establishment authoritatively sent off the blockchain on July 30, 2015, with the model codenamed Wilderness. From that point forward, Ethereum has gone through a few organization refreshes. These incorporate Constantinople on February 28, 2019, Istanbul on December 8, 2019, Murais Sheet on January 2, 2020, Berlin on April 14, 2021, and most as of late, the London hard fork on August 5, 2021. Ethereum's essential goal is to secure itself as a worldwide stage for dApps, empowering clients overall to make and execute programming that is strong to oversight, personal time, and fake exercises. Ethereum 2.0. From POW to POS last year, Ethereum effectively carried out the consolidation, a hotly anticipated and profoundly expected specialized change. Previously known as Ethereum 2.0, this change included changing from the energy-concentrated evidence of work (POW) agreement system to the more economical confirmation of stake (POS) model. The objective was to address worries about the natural effect of digital forms of money and work on the versatility of the Ethereum organization. An agreement-based blockchain plans to take out the prerequisite for unified go-betweens to approve exchanges. Be that as it may, without certified decentralization, the inquiry emerges regarding whether Ethereum's different difficulties are advantageous. Ethereum is notable for blockage issues during occupied periods, bringing about postponed exchange handling and fluctuating gas charges. The consolidation has not tended to the calculation or burden of gas costs, which can turn out to be unreasonably high during top hours, making more modest exchanges more expensive for customers, with normal day-to-day gas charges coming to almost $200 in May 2022. Shanghai, Shapella, overhaul. The Shanghai hard fork denotes Ethereum's progress from POW to POS, permitting clients to unstake their ETH through IP 4895. Furthermore, it acquaints upgrades with exchange productivity and diminished gas expenses for decentralized applications, including IP 3651, IP 3855, and IP 3860. Ethereum encountered a critical jump with the Capella overhaul, which lined up with the Shanghai redesign. Together, these headways converged to make Shapella in the crypto local area. Beginning from April 12, this update empowered the arrival of roughly 18 million tokens worth $35 billion from marking contracts. Shockingly, rather than causing selling pressure and a potential cost decline, the update ignited a convention in Ether's cost, coming to $2,100. How high will Ethereum go? Ethereum might contact $20,000 toward the finish of 2030, regardless of the new cost activity. A large portion of the crypto specialists are bullish on the fate of Ethereum, and ETH might return up in the forthcoming years. In light of the latest things, one of the fundamental motivations behind why Ethereum is reflecting reach-bound exchanging was the series of forceful loan fee climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers were constantly stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, accordingly searching for preferred choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. Nonetheless, when Bitcoin at last stretched around the $30K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. Alongside that, the continuous reinforcing of the Ethereum organization and the group's obligation to creating imaginative highlights, it is profoundly plausible that both ETH and its financial backers will encounter supported development and thriving in the present and the years to come. Presently, how about we investigate the drawn-out cost projections for Ethereum? Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. In view of the specialized examination and cost changes, Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,755 in 2023. In examination, the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,607 and $3,904, according to our ETH cost expectation. ETH value expectation for August 2023. As per our Ethereum cost estimate, the cost of ETH could arrive at a high of $3,177 in August 2023, contingent upon the general market feeling. On the drawback, the cost of Ethereum is supposed to reach $2,396 relatively soon. Ethereum value expectation for September 2023. Ethereum cost for September 2023, according to our forecast, could reach up to the greatest degree of $3,485, with a base cost of $2,505. ETH figure for October 2023 is indicated by our Ethereum cost estimate. We expect the base value level may be around $2,596. Toward the finish of October 2023, we anticipate that the cost of Ethereum should stretch around $3,722. Ethereum value conjecture for November 2023. In light of our Ether figure, we anticipate the base cost level for Ethereum to drift around $2,687. Looking forward to the furthest limit of November 2023, we estimate the ETH cost to possibly reach around $3,830. Ethereum expectation for December 2023 is indicated by our ETH cost expectation for December 2023. We project the most extreme cost of Ethereum to reach $3,903, while the base cost may be around $2,741 toward the finish of 2023. Ethereum value forecast 2024 is indicated by our Ethereum cost expectation. We accept ETH could reach to the most extreme worth of $5,097 by 2024. On the drawback, Ethereum's cost might diminish to the base cost of $3,541. The typical cost of Ethereum may be around $4,319 in 2024. Ethereum value expectation 2025, according to our